Welcome. Today we're diving into one of WhatsApp's newest and most fun features, WhatsApp Web Doodles. If you love those little patterns that fill the background on your phone chats, you'll be happy to know you can now bring them to your desktop too. Let's walk through how to enable WhatsApp Web Doodles on your PC in just a few simple steps. First things first, open your browser and head over to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged in with your account. If not, just scan the QR code using your phone. Once your chats load up, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a small gear icon that's your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll notice a few categories inside the settings menu. Choose the one that says Chats. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Wallpaper. Click that to access your chat background settings just like you would on your phone. Now, here's where the update comes in. You'll see a new checkbox titled Add WhatsApp Doodles. Turn it on and you'll instantly notice the difference. The background in your WhatsApp web chat area will fill with those familiar light gray doodles that make your conversations feel a bit more lively and familiar. You can experiment with different wallpapers and still keep the doodles visible or uncheck the option if you ever want a plain, clean background again. It's completely up to your personal style. That's all it takes. In less than a minute, you've brought the full WhatsApp charm to your computer screen. Whether you're working, studying, or just chatting, the doodles add a touch of personality that keeps your workspace from feeling dull. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to share it with friends who love customizing their chats too. Stay tuned because more updates and hidden features are always around the corner. Thanks for watching.